In this video, I will show you how to register a company in the UK. First, open your browser and go to the official gov.uk website. In the search bar, type register a company and click on the company's house link. On this page, you'll see the option to register online. You'll need to choose your company structure. Most people go with a private limited company. Next, you'll be asked to provide a company name, a registered office address, at least one director, and details of shareholders. You'll also need to create a memorandum and articles of association which set out how your company will be run. After filling out the form, you'll have to pay a small registration fee, usually £12 if you register online. Once submitted, Companies House will process your application, and if everything is correct, your company will be registered within 24 hours. You'll then receive a certificate of incorporation confirming your company is legally set up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.